Hi everyone and welcome back. Happy Friday. Before we get into the time lapse, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who left a comment on the hamster video a few weeks ago. Larry and Uku, thank you so much for your feedback. It's so great that I have somebody out there who's actually watching these videos and liking them enough to leave comments. I'm really grateful to you guys for doing that. So I'm not a professional artist, and the reason I started this YouTube channel was to hold myself accountable to practicing every week, and I didn't really think that anybody besides, sort of friends and family would be watching it, so it's really great to interact and have feedback from professional artists in the YouTube community, so thank you guys so much for that. A little bit about what I'm doing today is I recently watched a Skillshare class on learning to draw, and one of the things they said to practice was emulating the masters. And so what I did was I bought a book called Drawing Lifelike Subjects from my local art shop, and what I'm doing here is following along to the how-to tutorial for how to draw this Basset Hound puppy. So the artist is named Nolon Stacey, and his technique is what I'm following here. I will leave links below to his website if you guys are interested. But I thought it would be a good idea to sort of try to see from a different artist's perspective how to approach a subject. So we'll see how it turns out. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any tips or tricks for teaching yourself how to draw. And thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.